often find yourself feeling overwhelmed and burnt out by the demands of life? Do you feel like you are always putting everyone else's needs before your own? Well, it's time to make a change. Today, we're going to talk about why self-care is important and how to practice it regularly. Self-care is often thought of as a luxury, but it's actually a necessity. It's the act of taking care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally, so you can be the best version of yourself. Self-care is not selfish, it's necessary for your well-being. Self-care refers to the practice of taking care of oneself, both physically and mentally. It involves engaging in activities that promote physical and emotional health, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Self-care is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle, and it should be incorporated into daily routines. Self-care can take many different forms. It can be as simple as taking a few minutes to breathe deeply and clear your mind, or as involved as a day at the spa. Some standard self-care practices include exercise, healthy eating, spending time outdoors, socializing with friends and family, reading, and engaging in hobbies or creative pursuits. Self-care is not selfish, and it is not something that should be put off until there is extra time. In fact, it is essential to practice self-care regularly in order to maintain physical and mental health, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve overall happiness. By taking care of oneself, individuals are better equipped to handle life's challenges and to be there for others in meaningful ways. It is important to note that self-care is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not work for another. It is essential to experiment with different self-care practices and find what works best for oneself. Additionally, self-care practices may change over time, depending on one's circumstances and needs. Many of us have busy schedules, and it can be difficult to find time for self-care. But it's important to remember that self-care doesn't have to be time-consuming or expensive. There are many small things you can do every day to take care of yourself. First, start by finding activities that make you feel good. It could be something as simple as taking a walk, practicing yoga, or meditating. The key is to find what works for you and make it a regular part of your routine. Finding activities that make you feel good is an essential part of self-care. These activities can vary widely from person to person, and it is important to experiment with different options in order to find what works best for you. For some, taking a walk outside in nature is a great way to feel refreshed and energized. Others may prefer more structured exercise, such as running, swimming, or lifting weights. Yoga and meditation are also popular choices for self-care, as they promote physical health and help to reduce stress and anxiety. The key to making self-care a regular part of your routine is to find activities that you enjoy and that fit easily into your schedule. For example, if you find that you feel your best after a morning walk, try to make this a regular part of your daily routine. Similarly, if you enjoy practicing yoga but struggle to find the time, consider setting aside a specific time each day or week to engage in this activity. In addition to finding activities that you enjoy, it is important to be mindful of the purpose behind your self-care practices. Are you engaging in these activities simply to check them off a to-do list, or are you truly taking the time to care for yourself and your well-being? By focusing on the latter, you can cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and mindfulness, which can further enhance the benefits of your self-care practices. Finding activities that make you feel good is an important part of self-care. Whether it's taking a walk, practicing yoga, or meditating, the key is to find what works for you and make it a regular part of your routine. By doing so, you can reap the physical and mental benefits of self-care, while also cultivating a deeper sense of self-awareness and mindfulness. Next, don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's talking to a friend or loved one or seeking professional help, it's important to reach out when you need it. Asking for help is a crucial aspect of self-care, but it can be difficult for some individuals to do. Many people feel that they should be able to handle everything on their own, or that asking for help is a sign of weakness. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, asking for help is a sign of strength and self-awareness. It takes courage to admit that you need assistance and to reach out for support. Whether it's talking to a friend or loved one, or seeking professional help, asking for help is an important part of self-care. Talking to someone you trust can be incredibly helpful when you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed. Simply venting your thoughts and feelings to another person can help to alleviate some of the pressure you're feeling. Additionally, talking to someone else can help you to gain a new perspective on your situation and to come up with potential solutions to the problems you're facing. If you find that you need more specialized or professional help, don't hesitate to seek it out. This could involve scheduling an appointment with a therapist, counselor, or another mental health professional. These individuals are trained to help people navigate difficult emotions and experiences and can provide valuable support and guidance. In some cases, seeking professional help may involve taking medication to help manage symptoms of anxiety, depression, or other mental health conditions. While medication is not right for everyone, it can be a powerful tool in helping to improve one's mental health and overall well-being. Asking for help is an important aspect of self-care. Whether it's talking to a friend or loved one, or seeking professional help, reaching out when you need it is a sign of strength and self-awareness. By doing so, you can gain new perspectives, alleviate stress and anxiety, and improve your overall well-being. Finally, make time for yourself. Turn off your phone, disconnect from social media, and give yourself permission to relax and recharge. In today's world, it can be difficult to disconnect from the constant stimulation and distraction of technology and social media. However, it is essential to take time for yourself in order to recharge and improve your overall well-being. Making time for yourself can involve a variety of activities, such as reading a book, taking a bath, or simply spending time alone in quiet reflection. The key is to find activities that allow you to relax and recharge, without the constant interruption of technology and social media. Turning off your phone and disconnecting from social media can be difficult at first, but it can have a profound impact on your mental and emotional health. When we are constantly connected to technology and social media, our brains are in a constant state of stimulation and information overload. This can lead to feelings of overwhelm, stress, and anxiety. By disconnecting and taking time for yourself, you give your brain a chance to rest and reset. This can help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep quality, and increase overall feelings of well-being. It's also important to give yourself permission to relax and enjoy your free time. Many people feel guilty or anxious about taking time for themselves as if they should be constantly productive or achieving more. However, self-care is not a selfish act, it is essential for our mental and emotional health. Making time for yourself is an essential aspect of self-care. By turning off your phone, disconnecting from social media, and giving yourself permission to relax and recharge, you can reduce stress and anxiety, improve your overall well-being, and cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and mindfulness. Practicing self-care regularly can improve your mental health, reduce stress, and increase your overall happiness. So, what are you waiting for? Start taking care of yourself today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on how to live your best life.